Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burger like Burger King. First, select 80/20 ground beef for the best flavor and juiciness. Next, form your patties. Make them thin, about 1/4 inch thick, and slightly wider than your bun, as they will shrink when cooked. Finally, season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation is key to a delicious, flavorful patty. Now, let's get grilling. Place your seasoned patties on a hot grill over high heat. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side to get that perfect char and doneness. While the patties cook, lightly toast your sesame seed buns on the grill until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. This adds a crucial texture and warmth to your burger. A charcoal grill really helps achieve that signature smoky taste. With your patties cooked and buns toasted, it's time to assemble your delicious burger. Start by spreading a thin layer of mayonnaise on both the top and bottom halves of your toasted bun. Next, layer fresh, crisp lettuce, thinly sliced ripe tomatoes, and a few rings of white onion on the bottom bun. Finally, carefully place your hot, grilled patty right on top of the vegetables. We're almost there. To complete your Burger King-style creation, add 3 to 4 tangy pickle slices directly onto the patty. Then, finish it off with a generous squirt of ketchup on the top bun. Place the top bun on your burger, and there you have it, a delicious, homemade burger ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.